Hi everyone. Now my skin is relaxing, some yogurt on face because I will be have very big training conditional day. You know what? Somebody nominated me to Hop Hop Challenge for Czech Hockeyist Nationals. Yes, I know it is great. And I love hockeyists. The most beautiful is Tomáš Werner, I think. He look like so cute on ice. It doesn't matter. I need something. Girls, every blonde, beautiful girls, I need you. Because I haven't friends, yeah? Yeah, I haven't friends. I know it is weird, but it is real. I haven't friends. And I need you, every blonde, beautiful girls which watching my canal. Please, come to Kampa, to Kavarnam Lane, to this Monday, 20 April, to 4 o'clock p.m. like odpoledne, Please come and hop sing with me. It will be very funny and legration. So, come and girls, just take little bit makeup and some clothes. I don't like ugly girls in my videos, So, bye!